How to fix Tesla app not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if your Tesla application is not working properly in your mobile device. So without further ado, let's get started. The first solution is to check whether the application is updated or not. If your application is missing out any updates, the application will not work properly. So to check that, open up Play Store in your device, tap on the search icon and then search for Tesla. Then tap on Tesla. Once you do that, if you have update button, that means the application needs to get updated. So simply tap on update. Once the application is updated, you can go back and check whether the application is now working properly or not. If still not, the second solution is to head towards the settings of your device. So go to the settings, tap on apps, tap on see all apps and then tap on the search icon from the top right corner and then search for Tesla. That will take you to app info page. Here scroll down a bit and then go to storage and cache. Here you have to tap on clear cache. Once you have cleared the cache, that will remove all the junk file or glitches from the application, which will help you solve your problem. Once you have cleared the cache, now you can go back and check if the application is now again working or not. If still not, the last option is to uninstall the application and reinstall it back. Once you delete the application, you can reinstall and that will help you to solve your problem. To do that, access your application in a mobile device. Tap and hold on it, then tap on app info. Once you're here, simply tap on uninstall, then tap on OK. Once you have uninstalled or deleted this application, now again you can open Play Store and reinstall it back and then open up the application. Now your application will work fine. So that's how you can fix the Tesla app not working properly. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.